Okay, here we go. Okay, all right. So today we're going to talk about igsce, Information and Communication Technology, May June 2020, paper code 21. So the paper is for 2 hours and 30 minutes, and mainly we are going to talk about mail merge. So I'll jump straight to the mail merge part and finish the database part. So with a mail merge, you are required to carry out a mail merge, create a mail merge later using the file J2120 entry as the master document and J2120 data.csv as your source file. Replace the date with a field to display today's date in the format ddmmyyy. Now we are required to create a mail merge, so I'm going to open J2120 entry as my master document. So I'll head over to J2120 as my master document. So I'll head on to igsce and head to my source files J2120 entry. So the question was saying J2120 entry. So I'll click on J2120 entry. So I'll wait for it to open. J2120 entry. Then the question says we are required to create a mail merge using the letters using the J2120 entry as the master document and J2120 data.csv. So I'm going to link these two documents together to create a mail merge. Make sure I go to mailings and I go to start mail merge. And I'm going to create what? Laters. So I'll go to mailings, then start mail merge, then I go to laters. And then I go to select recipients. So use an existing list. Then I'll search for my data. When I go to my desktop and igsce, I'll search for data. That is the file I'm looking for. So I'll click on data and click on open. So this automatically shows that the mail merge has been created. How do I know? So when I go to insert merge field, you could see the fields are here. So go to the next question. They're saying, so congratulations, we've created a merge between J2120 entry and J2120 data. So they're saying replace the date with a field to display today's date in the format ddmmyyy. So replace the date. So I'll go straight to the date and replace this date. I'll highlight this date. Okay, I'll highlight this date and go to insert and then go to quick paths, then go to field, then I'll type date. All right, so when I type D, it will bring date format, and now click on the date formats here. I'll check. They need ddmmyy. So this is the format ddmmyy. ddmmyy. I think this is the format, guys, that they want us to use. So I'll just click on this format and I say okay. Okay, so the date will be automatically inserted. But now they're saying replace the date with the field to today's date in the format that. Now in evidence 9 they're saying take a screenshot evidence of the date field code showing the format used. Place this screenshot in your evidence document. So they want us to take a screenshot of the date field code showing the format used. So I'll automatically highlight this. Okay, then I'll right click and go to toggle field codes. When you right click and go to toggle field codes, it will automatically show you the format of the date. And I'll get my powerful software here. I'll get my software. Or I'll get a sniping tool. Okay. And after typing sniping tool, so type in my sniping tool. So I'll open sniping tool and I'll take a screenshot of the toggle field codes. So I'll open the sniping tool. So as I wait for my computer to open the sniping tool, I think so as the sniping tool opens, so I'll take my sniping tool, then click on new. So I'll open up my Word document. And after opening up my Word document, I think I'll need the sniping tool again. So I'll take a screenshot of this field codes. So this is what I'll take, and I'll copy this and paste it in my evidence 9. Paste it in evidence what? 9. So and I scroll down here where there is evidence 9. I'll paste this here, and I'll make sure I enlarge it because examiner needs to see the toggle field codes that you are using. So I think this size is enough. Then I'll get to, that is the mark that you earn there. Then they're saying replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source file as follows. So what we are required to do is we're going to find where there is these chevrons. We're going to replace with the merge fields. Where there is TTL, we replace with the, where there is TTL, we replace with title. So I'll come here and highlight TTL, then go to mailings, then insert merge field, then I'll replace it with what? The title. Then where there is first, I'll replace it with first name. Okay, so I'll come here and look for first, then replace it with first name. Okay, first take it back, then I can first toggle field codes and return it back, return the year back. So I'm going to highlight this, so I'm going to highlight this and then go to insert merge field, then say first name. Then the saying last is replaced with last name. So I'll come here, select last and select last name. Where there is add one, I'm going to put street. So where there is add one, I'll replace it with street. Then where there is add to, I'm going to replace it with area. I think this is the question paper saying where there is add to, you replace it with area. Where there is add to, could replace it with area. Then where there is post, we put post code. So I'm going to select this, then insert merge field, then post code. Okay. Then where there is discipline, I could put res type. Where there is discipline, I'll put res type. So I'm going to look for discipline. Discipline. With discipline, you replace with res type. Okay. Then where there is level, I'll replace with ability. Where there is level, I'll replace with ability. So I'll come here, select level, then insert merge field, then put ability. Then when I go down here, where there is class, I will put category. Class, I'll put where there is class, I'll put what? Category. Insert merge field, then I'll put category. Okay. Then where there is team, I'll put club. Where there is team, I'll put club. Highlight team, then insert merge field, then I put club. Then where there is trial, I'll put practice run. I'll look for trial. Where is trial? So I'll look for trial. And where I see trial, I'm going to put practice run. Where there is trial, I'll put practice run. Trial, so try is here, and I'm going to replace it with practice run. Where there is go, I'll replace it with res start. Go, I highlight go, and I'll put insert merge field res start. Okay, then code, where there is code, I'll put type ID. Code, I'll put type ID. Then where there is discipline, I'll put res type. Where there is discipline, I'll put insert merge field, then res type. And the other fields that are remaining, let me try to check. Basically that's it, guys. Then when you try to look here, they say where there is first, you put first name. So I'm going to change this, dear first, then I put first name. Okay, now I think this is done, guys. You make sure, then they're saying make sure the spacing and punctuation alignment and enhancement in the original master document are maintained. So you make sure you maintain the spacing and everything. Spell check and proofread the master document. So you get 3 marks for replacing these chevrons and everything. And then they're saying replace the text candidate name with your name. So I'll come here and look for where there is the candidate name. Candidate name. There is the candidate name, so I'll replace with my name. My name is Muhonja Kenneth. Alright, and then they're saying enter your name, center number and candidate number in the footer of the document. So if you want to enter your name in the footer, save and print your merge field codes. Okay, so if I toggle field code here, so they're saying that enter your name, center number and candidate number in the footer of the document. So to enter your name and candidate number in the footer of the document, you go to insert footer, then I'll choose a 3-column footer. Now I'll put my name, center number RA001, and the candidate name, the candidate number, is 001. That's what I'm using. Yes, so they're saying save and print out your master document showing the merge field codes. So if they say save and print your master document, So I could press Ctrl S, I click away, then press Ctrl S to save. So they're saying save and print your master document showing the merge field codes. So if you want to print your master document, so you'll come here, go to mailings, go to finish and print. So if my printer is connected, I just click on print, and then I could print all, right? So it will show the merge field codes. As you can see, if I want to print, I could just print. Then printout 4 says, make sure you have entered your name, center number, and candidate number on the master document. So you print out this document, but of course you enter your name, center number, and candidate number. You just go to finish and merge, then you go to print documents. So you just print and it will show your name and candidate number and center number. As you can see, if I want to print, my printer is connected, I could just click OK and it just prints. Okay, then if you go down, the number is done, you get a mark for it. Then they're saying locate the fields, locate the lines starting with event classification, venue classification, event classification, venue and classification. For each of these lines, set a left align tab at 5 centimeters from the left margin. Okay, for each of these lines, set a left align tab at 5 centimeters from the margin. Use this tab setting to align the data like this. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to align that data at 5 centimeters. Where there is MTB, event classification, I'll look for event classification, it's here. And where there is event classification, okay, event classification is this. Then what I will do is I'll click on MTB where there is MTB, then go to home. Okay, then look for where there is tab. Okay, tab, I'll go to paragraph. Okay, then I'll go to tabs. So I'll put my cursor here on MTB. All right, then go to paragraph. Then from paragraph, I could click on tab. All right, then I click on 5. Start position will be 0, and then default tab position, that is 5 centimeters. Okay, to start at 5 centimeters. Okay, so when I click OK, it says set. Then I'll click OK, then I'll press the tab key. As you can see, it is at 5 centimeters, but how do I know? So I'll go to view, then I go to rulers. Okay, you can see guys that it has 5 centimeters. Now again, I'll press this, then go to paragraph. I wanted my rulers to appear such that I can know that it is at 5 centimeters. You can see that it's at 5 centimeters. Again, I will go to home, then press paragraph. After pressing my cursor at Cobag, I go to home, then paragraph. Then I'll set the tab at 5 centimeters. Then I'll say set. Then OK. Then I'll press the tab key on my keyboard. Then it automatically goes to the tab. Then I'll also come here. press my cursor at where there is 1 day classic. Then I'll repeat the same steps. I'll go to home, then go to paragraph, then go to tabs, then 5 centimeter. I go to set, then OK. Then I'll just press my tab key and it will move specifically to 5 centimeter. Now they're saying locate the lines. Of course I've located them and placed the tab at 5 centimeter from the left margin. Alright, which I've already done. Now they're saying highlight these 3 lines. Alright, take a screenshot showing these lines. Highlight these 3 lines. Okay, take a screenshot showing these lines and the ruler with the tab displayed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is highlight the 3 lines. Right, now all I'm going to do is highlight them. Now after highlighting them, I come here, look for my sniping tool, then I will take my screenshot showing my highlighted fields. You can see, guys, that it's at 5 centimeter. So I will just copy this, then the saying evidence 10, place the screenshot in evidence document. So I'll come to the evidence document, come to where there is evidence 10, scroll down where there is evidence 10 here, and then I would say Control V and press my evidence there. Right, and then that one is done. You get 2 marks for that. You can see that really it's at 5 centimeters. Right, yeah, that's good. Then they're saying merge. They're saying set an automated filter to select members where ability is elite or expert. Set an automated filter to select members where ability is elite or expert. All right, so I'll come here, then to set an automated filter, I'll go to mailings. Then after going to mailings, I'll go to edit recipient list. Okay, so after going to edit recipient list, then I'll check. They are saying we filter where ability is elite, ability is equal to elite, or ability is equal to expert. So we filter out the documents, look for ability is equal to elite, then we select all, ability is equal to expert. Then they're saying evidence 11, place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the use of an automated place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the use of an automated selection field. Okay, so I've selected the fields. So these are the fields that are selected. Could take a screenshot of this. These are the selected fields, those whose ability is elite or expert. Okay, so you could see that it selected the fields where ability is elite or expert. So I'll place this. So I'll take a screenshot. This is supposed to be put in evidence 11. So come to evidence 11, and I'll first press take a screenshot. So come to evidence 11, press my screenshot here. Then come here. And edit recipient list. Could take screenshots showing their names, the names so if I copy this, I could come to my evidence document and place my names here. Okay, and I could say so place in evidence document a screenshot to show the use of an automated filter. So this is the use of an automated filter. You could see it is, the screenshot is showing the use of an automated filter. This is the list of recipients that will be used in your merge. Use the options below to add the change to your list. Use the boxes to remove the recipient. So these are the names it has selected whose ability is elite or expert. Okay. Then they're saying merge and print the letters for the selected entrants only. Merge and print the letters for the selected entrants only. So you have to merge and print the letters for the selected entrants only. Remember, we had only selected those who have ability or elite. All right. So back to this, the selected entrants are the ones that have ability of elite or expert. So if you go to edit recipient list, these were the ones that were selected. These are the ones that were selected. All right. So what you do is since these are the selected ones, so you'll go to print, finish, and merge. Okay, then you go to print documents. All right, now you're going to print all. Since if your printer is connected, you just say all, because it will print only the selected ones. All right. Okay, so you can see if the printer is connected, then I just click OK and it will print, guys. So then that is the printout. Merge and print the letters for the selected entrance only. So it will print out 5, save and close the files to print out those files for the selected entrants who have ability of elite or expert. Right, then task 5 says printing the evidence document. Save and print your evidence document. Make sure your name, center number appear on every page of the document. So you make sure this is the evidence document. Make sure your name, center number appear on every page of every document. So you come here on file and go to print. So you print your evidence document. You could print it. So if your printer is connected, you just print. Okay. Then see you guys in the next part of presentation. So